Custom t-shirt shops are offering promotional products more and more every day to their customer. So how do we link to a promotional product website provided to us from like a Sage or an ASI platform? Well, it's very simple. Simply come over to Pages, add a page like Promo Products, and within the page, we can go into Advanced Settings, and we can link to an external site. We can then drop the link of the other site, and you're most likely going to want to open in a new window. That opens a new tab and makes it obvious to the customer that they're on a different site. Click OK, save, and when the customer comes to this promo products link, it'll open a new window and take them to a Sage or an ASI site in this example. It's really that simple. Promotional products really are going to be quoted the majority of the time. So just linking to that other site is a good way to show the customer what all you can put their logo on, and it gets the ball rolling, which is what is most important. If you have any questions on how to link to a promotional product site or do anything else related to DecoNetwork, simply visit DecoNetwork's help resources, including the YouTube channel. Thank you.